Happy Monday, MAST Family!
I'm Solomon.
And I'm Jada. And we are your student news anchors at MAST on Monday mornings. This week, our guest anchor is Miss B.
Good morning, y'all.
Congratulations to the winners DeMarco, Jared, and Vinroy for winning MAST Monday morning meeting prizes. Remember, all you have to do is be on time for first period and sign into the link bit.ly/MAST Monday morning meetings.
Remember, all prize winners from school-wide meetings will be picked right after our announcements.
And all prize winners must pick up their prize by the end of the day, or else you will forfeit your winnings.
Birthday shoutouts! Remember to use the link for birthday shoutouts so we could celebrate you. bit.ly/bday shoutouts. Faria T's birthday
on the May 19th,
Eli G's birthday
on May 22nd,
and Brianna B's birthday
on May 25th,
and Tona Shay M's birthday
on May 25th as well. Happy birthday to you guys.
Congratulations to all students who made our honor roll, principals list, and merit roll.
Hey MAST family, we only have 17 school days left to make sure we pass our classes in our regions. To help, MAST has an additional study hall after school where you can come from 3:15 to 5:30 p.m. It is a quiet space where you can focus to make up work or study. A study hall will be available from Monday to Tuesday until the next week. Hi, estudiantes de MAST, solo nos quedan 17 días para terminar la escuela y asegurarnos de que pasemos todas las clases y los exámenes de Regents. Para ayudar, la escuela tiene una sala de estudio adicional donde podemos venir de 3:15 hasta las 5:30. Es un lugar tranquilo donde nos podemos enfocar para hacer las tareas o estudiar. La sala de estudio estará disponible desde lunes a jueves hasta las 3 próximas semanas. Gracias.
Congratulations to the scholars in the Young Debaters Club on their debate tournament at St. John's University on May 20th.
Shout out to Will and Jarissa for winning first place, and Shizam who won honorable mention. Thank you to all the participants and Miss Whitehall for leading the team to victory.
The NHS induction ceremony will be held on Tuesday, May 30th at 6 p.m. Please be on the lookout for invitations during your third period class this week.
Our multicultural showcase is around the corner, titled The Voyage, A Journey Beyond, May 26, 2023.
MAST Field Day, which is sponsored by the NHS, will take place on Friday, June 9th. Hashtag MAST House Battles will commence. Who will take the trophy this year? The House of Love, Equity, Perseverance, or Legacy?
Congratulations to MAST for the victory over Hart in the Hoop It Up Championship. This week, MAST will play BFIT on Tuesday, May 23rd, and the championship game is on Wednesday, May 24th at 4:15 p.m. Doors open in the main gym at 4 p.m.
Thank you to Ms. Victor, AP Cesar, and Mr. Johnson for supporting the Paint and Sip event. It was a great success.
E&L ELA Regents Prep is every Friday at 2 p.m. sharp with Miss Marston for all registered students in room 207.
AHA Broadway's final rehearsal date is on Wednesday, April 24th at 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Special invitations will be issued to student guests to view their culminating performances on Thursday, May 25th, 2023.
Shout out to the NHS community and Mr. Rizzoli for serving in the AIDS Walk on May 21st, 2023 from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Special thanks to Mr. Singh, the other NHS advisor. We appreciate you both.
Shout out to the Culinary Arts Club and the PTA for hosting the Cuisine Gala event this past Friday. Special shout out to Mrs. Morales for organizing this event.
The MAST Empowerment Day is Wednesday, May the 24th. Be on the lookout for more information. The theme is The Gems in the Journey.
Due to Memorial Day on May 29th, school will be closed and classes will resume on Tuesday, May 30th, 2023. June 1st is the administration of the first Regents Examination, which is US History. All students scheduled for the Regents must report to MAST on that day. All other students will not come in. All students who are interested in signing up for the Teen Entrepreneurship Program must attend all 8 training sessions in order to qualify for the stipend to invest in your own business. Please see PTY for more info if you are interested.
Are you interested in being a next guest anchor at MAST on Monday morning meeting announcements? If you're interested in volunteering to be the next guest anchor, sign up using the link bit.ly/guest anchor.
Alright, so look, right, on Friday, June 2nd, 2023, the Latinos Unidos Club is going on an excursion to Sabor Latino restaurant. Students must dress in semi-formal attire only, as well as bring a minimum of $35 for lunch.
Prep for chemistry resumes on Saturdays with Miss Algarin from now until the Regents.
Do you need help in geometry? Geo tutoring is every Tuesday with Miss Ishraf in room 214 at 3:15 p.m.
Basketball club meets every weekday, Monday through Friday, from 7:40 a.m. to 8:20 a.m. in the main gym with Mr. G.
Remember to check out our Instagram page for the dates for all PSL games. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the staff versus student game has been postponed. The new date is forthcoming.
A few events coming up, so please save the date. On June 2nd, we have the Senior Social. On June 7th, we have the Senior Prom. And on June 23rd, we have the graduation ceremony for our beloved seniors at St. John's University
At 4:30 p.m. Thank you for watching our MAST Weekly News. See you next week!
Congratulations to all students who made our honor roll. Principals list and what is that?
NRemember.